Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss the pattern, star pattern, or say anything V shape. Okay, so let's get started without wasting time. So take a new file. See here, how many number of columns and row? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, and number of rows are 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 2 1 2 3 4 5. Sorry, this is 5. Okay, once again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so number of row are 5 and columns are 9. Okay, so first for row in range for this. See here is 0 and this is th column, that is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, 8 plus 0, that is 8, that is n minus 1. This is 7th column, and okay, so we have to also write here 8. Row plus column is 8. Okay, so put this condition in code: if row plus column is equals to 8, then we want to print stars, then end is equals to, then else print space, then end is equals to, okay, then after each column we want to print a new line. Okay, save this. This is for V. So I hope it will print. Yeah, absolutely fine. So guys, this is for printing the V shape. Okay, I advise you have to first analyze this code. After this you can run this code. Okay, so thank you for watching this video guys, and if you learn something from this video, then please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video once again.